Today I'd like to introduce you to the newest product in the Skin by True lineup, the Bright and Smooth Eye Cream. So when I went to make this eye cream, I wanted it not to just focus on one thing, I wanted it to do everything. So it's designed to work on dark circles, depuff, and fine lines and wrinkles. It's weightless. It's amazing. We put into this, we have a Tripeptide 5, so that works on the fine lines, the wrinkles, so we're dealing with a little bit more anti-aging. So we have a coffee seed extract in here, which works on the dark circles. It's made with jojoba seed for hydration, as well as shea butter. How I like to use this is both morning and evening. I use a small amount after I've washed and primed my face with my balm. And then I gently pat it around my eye area, making sure to get into the front of the eye area on the bridge of the nose as well. I like to pat, it just offers the pressing, so it penetrates better. That's it. Let me know if you have any questions.